Well, as you can see behind me, the left delegation stopped by the police here while they were on their way to Bashirhat. A huge contingent of police stopped there on the road towards Bashirhat. As you can see, there are lots of left leaders now. They are talking. They are engaging on a war of words between police officers, and of course they are also trying to penetrate themselves, and they are trying to convince themselves that what for they are going to there, and police will not. It was a sense that they will somehow stop them anyhow on the road to Bashirhat. And what we are getting, but we can see the other left leaders here, but we can't see the leader that you can see that Muhammad Salim, our delegation led by Member of Parliament Muhammad Salim, was on their way to Bashirhat. As you can see, police, and they are putting up barricades here. As you can see that RAF, and they are on with the tear gas sales. They have been stopped here a few kilometers away from Bashirhat. The tension is zone where from we are bringing every updates, every development day by day. We are continuously bringing every updates in Republic TV for last couple of days. This is the fifth day. As you can see, the left contingent have been trapped by the police here. They were the plan was made by the police earlier last night that somehow or anyhow they will put barricades on their road, on anyhow they will stop them. And you can see they engage on a war of words between police officers here at least 30 kilometers away from Bashirhat or Baduria. They were stopped, but we can't see Muhammad Salim behind them. Maybe he have managed to somehow escape on their way to Bashirhat. I would like to go there. Where is Muhammad Salim? The team was led by.
This is not the normal route to go Bashirhat. Why they are obstructing, I can't understand.
But
this is not the route for going Bashirhat.
You're supposed to take the Taki road.
If we take Taki road, we can go easily through Taki road from Barasat.
Okay.
Why we will come to Joshua road?
What was your plan?
Is it the normal route to go Bashirhat?
Exactly not. So what
is the problem?
Okay, why?
What is the problem?
What they are telling?
I don't know. They are telling that their Boro Babu will come and talk with us.
Okay, fine. So what was your plan?
Our plan was to go through this way to another place, not to Bashirhat.
What is the place it's called? I believe that it is at least 30 kilometers away from Bashirhat or any tension is zone of
30 kilometers or 40 kilometers or 10 kilometers, I don't know. I have not measured it actually. But that is not Bashirhat where we are going.
Okay, I understand. And where is Mr. Muhammad Salim?
I think he is in the car.
Okay, fine. That was left MLA Tanmay Bhattacharya making us clear that why, and he is also raising questions that why police put barricades on their way to Bashirhat, but it is not Bashirhat. The tension is on where the section 144 is still remaining or has been imposed now, but they have stopped on their way to Bashirhat. We are bringing every update what is the massacre and what the tension is once again emerging, while our left delegation on their way stopped on their way somewhere in North Chobbish Pargana here in Bashirhat. You can see those visuals we are bringing you on Republic TV, and the police barricades with arms, and definitely with as you can see that they are with lathis, and of course they are with tear gas sales. If anything bizarre happen, they can take action quickly. This is the all-ground report from the emerging tension with the political rift of opposition while they were trying to push into Bashirhat. I am Ritik, and